Have you been struggling to find more room on your desk? Well, I know I have, so in this video, I'm going to show you a solution to fix that. Alright, so in this video, Yikola actually sent me a package in the mail. It's a keyboard and mouse storage rack, so it'll be able to save you a lot more space on your desk. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it comes in the mail when you order on Amazon. And pretty much it can store multiple keyboards and mouses all in one rack to save you a lot more space on your desk. If, let's say, you're a professional gamer, streamer, who knows what, if you have multiple keyboards and mouses, this is the product for you. So I'm going to open up right now and see what is inside. So they do have a black option that looks really nice, and that's what it looks like in the black. So here's one piece, and then here's another. And also, this material is actually made out of a PMMA material. It's a flexible and durable acrylic. And then it's also, if you get the black, it'll be a matte surface finish. So it'll be fingerprint resistant. Unfortunately, if you do get this clear version, I'm already touching it and seeing fingerprints right now. So if you care about that, I'd probably go with the black version. And so this setup is pretty easy. They do come with instructions in case you do need to figure out how to set it up. But it's really straightforward. Alright, so they give you these screws right here to set it up, and all you have to do is line it up like so. So I'm going to put it like this, and then you line it up like this, and then you will just screw in the top part right there, and then the bottom part right there. You might not even need a screwdriver really, but if you just want to have this as a more permanent thing, I would probably recommend getting a screwdriver just to lock it in place. Alright, so this is what the keyboard and storage compartment looks like. So how this works, I have an extra keyboard here from all the different reviews I had. If you haven't seen this review yet on the Yoso keyboard, you can check it out right in the top right corner. But pretty much you would just put it right there. This one's a little bit bigger than most keyboards. Definitely go with those smaller mechanical keyboards, especially if you're a gamer, programmer, who knows. And it should be able to hold all of them. And then you might be wondering, alright, so great, that's where the keyboard go. Well, where does the mouse actually go? So if I flip this around, the mouse can just slide right in here like so. And then that will store your mouse. So you can store up to 3 mouses and then 3 keyboards on this actual storage rack. So for the dimensions, it is 10.45 inches wide, and then the height total is about 7 inches roughly. If you want to know the gaps in between, it's 2.48 inches in between, 1.75 inches in between here, and then 1.77 inches in between these two components. So if you have a really thick keyboard that's really tall, just keep that in mind. I'll have a link to this product in the description below, so feel free to check out all the details there. They provide you all the dimensions where now it'll actually fit on your desk, the different options it provides, what it's built out of, how soon you can actually get it delivered if you are wanting it. But it is pretty straightforward. It's a keyboard and mouse storage unit. It does save a lot of space on your desk. Alright, so that was my review of the Yikola keyboard and mouse organizer. If you guys did like the review on this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.